Welcome to Happy English. Let's get better at listening and speaking. It will be fun and a little challenging. Let's start. In the vast landscape of the culinary world where the rustic often meets the refined, there lies a cake that stands as a testament to this beautiful confluence, the Buckwheat Gateau. This is not your ordinary cake, it's a culinary gem that brings the robust, earthy tones of buckwheat flour into the delicate, artful realm of gateau, creating a dessert that's as intriguing in flavor as it is elegant in appearance. But the Buckwheat Gateau is more than just a treat for the palate, it's a nod to the versatility of ancient grains, a celebration of alternative flours, and a symbol of how traditional ingredients can be reimagined in contemporary baking. Buckwheat, despite its name, is not related to wheat but is rather a fruit seed, making it a fantastic gluten-free option that's rich in nutrients and distinctive in flavor. Its incorporation into a gateau, an item typically associated with the finest of pastry arts, challenges the norms of baking and invites both connoisseurs and casual bakers to explore the depth and versatility of this humble grain. The result is a gateau that's moist, tender, and imbued with a nuanced flavor profile that's at once nutty, earthy, and subtly sweet, setting it apart from its more traditional counterparts. The beauty of the Buckwheat Gateau lies not only in its flavors but also in its ability to bridge different culinary traditions and dietary preferences. It's a cake that's as comfortable on the table of a gourmet dinner party as it is in a cozy, casual brunch setting. Its rustic elegance is a reminder of the simplicity and purity of the ingredients from which it's made, offering a wholesome, satisfying experience that's both grounded and sophisticated. In this introduction, we'll delve into the origins of buckwheat, its journey from a staple grain to a cherished ingredient in modern baking, and the artistry involved in creating a buckwheat gateau. We'll explore the nuances of working with buckwheat flour, the creativity it inspires in the kitchen, and how it can transform a classic gateau into a contemporary masterpiece that's both visually stunning and delightfully nourishing. So, whether you're a seasoned baker looking to expand your repertoire, a food enthusiast eager to explore the world of ancient grains, or simply someone in search of a dessert that offers both comfort and refinement, the Buckwheat Gateau invites you on a journey of discovery. Let's turn the page and embark on a baking adventure that celebrates the harmony of rustic charm and elegant sophistication, one delicious slice at a time.